Good afternoon. With this NXP demo, we are demonstrating the smart sensor platform solution we are offering. So the sensor platform is consisting out of a sensor hub. It's consisting out of sensor fusion software and of course environmental sensors. That is what we are adding to the standard, already well-known inertia sensors which are running on the sensor hub. We are adding the environmental sensors to that, and that opens up a whole new applications environment which you can integrate into the phone. It makes your phone or tablet or application smarter, and you can make use of much more data and information. So basically today what I will show you is that our first product in the roadmap consists out of a temperature and a relative humidity smart sensor. And these sensors we have integrated in a standard commercial phone. And then we have now the readings of the sensor onto the phone. You see the first row, the sensor is, the temperature is 30.5 degrees and 26% relative humidity. But this is inside the phone. A phone warms up, so the CPU gets hot, the battery gets hot, the LCD backlight is on. So an end user cannot use that information because it only would tell you what the phone is doing. But an end user wants to know the ambient temperature. So what is the temperature around him? That he can use. So that's why we have the sensor fusion software coming in. So I will show you. So again, the top row is the information coming from the sensor inside the phone. The bottom row is an external sensor which we just placed as a reference. And then our algorithm calculates what the actual ambient temperature is without actually knowing it. So it is trained model, so it's a dynamic correction onto all the information which is available inside the phone. So here, for instance, this is a fridge. It's 15 degrees in the fridge. As you can see, it's 15 degrees in the fridge, but the phone is on 21.8. Internal in the phone, it's 21.8. Within a minute, this phone now, this tablet, now will see that it is outside the fridge, and the sensor fusion will now do its work, and it will come to the environment temperature, which is 23 degrees. So here, within a minute, you will see that the phone is on the ambient temperature. And that information we use for new applications. Next to this one, this is the first product, we will add also gas sensor, and we also have the pressure sensor. And then you open up a whole new field of information. You can do weather cloud control, so a lot of users can collect the weather information. You can have safety information. If you have a polluted city, is it safe to walk in the city, or is there gas, CO2 present? So all that information you can use. For instance, for gaming, if you have a cold environment, your avatar is wearing a sweater, and if it's hot, your avatar will wear shorts. So all that can be dynamically controlled with the environmental information. So here you see the first generation of that aid.